Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by positioning the duvet inside the cover and aligning the top and bottom corners so they match. Once done, reach into the corners and feel for the duvet corner seams. This ensures the clip grabs fabric, not emptiness. Attach the clip to both the duvet seam and cover fabric, making sure the teeth bite evenly. Press until you hear a click. This secures the grip. Now repeat on the remaining top corner so the duvet stays oriented for the next steps. Next, work down the sides. Run your hands along the duvet edge to locate folds and keep the filling centered. Then, one by one, place clips every 12 to 18 inches. You want even spacing to prevent shifting. If the duvet is thick, choose spring-style clips. For thinner fills, pick low-profile snaps so you don't risk pinching. After clipping each section, smooth the cover and shake gently to redistribute the loft. This makes the duvet sit flat, and to finish, zip the cover and flip the duvet right side out. You'll feel if the corners hold. Then fluff and walk around the bed, pressing down so the clips settle. If you notice shifting, make sure clips are gripping both the seam and cover. Once addressed, add an extra clip near the center if needed. If the clip slips or causes fabric wear, place a small fabric square between clip and cover before reclipping. This reduces friction and protects material.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.